back, great minds. Welcome back to the class. So this video is going to talk about conversion of one base to another. A base that is actually not in base 10, okay? And you're not also converting to base 10. But you just want to convert from other bases to other bases, okay? Like maybe converting from base 7 to base 5 or base 5 to base 7. This time, what I was supposed to do, I have to just go direct. So that's what we are about to explain now. Now let's take a look at this question. The question says express 313 base 6 to octal base. Means you are converting base 6 to what? To octal base. Octal base, don't forget, they are what? Base 8 numbers. So let's take a look at this. Now, this is a hint. It said, first express the number to base 10 and then convert from base 10 to the required base. That's the hint. Okay? So anytime you are converting a different base to a different base that is not base 10, nor neither are you converting to base 10, okay? The first thing you need to do is to convert it to what? To base 10. Then from base 10 you can convert it to what? To other bases. So now let's take a look at how that can be done. You remember how we normally convert to base 10? We always follow what? Expansion method. So let's take a look at it. You follow your expansion method, you have 3 times 6 raised to power what? 2. Then 1 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 3 times 6 raised to power 0. We subject our powers to whole numbers. So you have 6 raised to power 2 is 6 times 6, not 6 times 2. Take note of that. So that's 36. 6 raised to power 1 is what? 6. 6 raised to power 0 is 1. So when you do the multiplication before the addition, you obtain 108 plus 6 plus 3. And that will give you 117 base 10. So this is 117 base 10, okay? So 117 base 10, what am I supposed to do? Then you go back and convert it to what? To base, to the required base, which is what? The octal base, that's base 8. So when we do that, you know how I normally do that, okay? By drawing your table, you are converting 117 in base 10 to what? To octal. So you draw your table, divide the section, okay? So you bring down your 117. When you divide it by 8, you obtain 14, and it will remain what? It will remain 5. Again, you do the repetition. Don't forget what we did before. So if you are just if you are new in this video, definitely you have to visit the previous one so that you can get it better, because these two methods have been solved in the previous video. So we have 14 divided by 8. That will give us 1, which is going to remain what? Remainder 6. So you do the same thing. 1 divided by 8 is going to give you impossible, which is 0. So you bring down the 1 to the other side of that's the green part of the column. So you remember how we normally take our reading, since we've already obtained 0 at this part, okay? So the arrow goes up, don't forget. So you are reading upward. So it's going to be 165. 165 base what? Base 8. So as simple as that. 165 base 8. It means 313 base 6 is the same thing as 165 base 8. 313 base 6 is the same thing as what? 165 base 8, which is a simple way of what? Of making your conversion. So this is how to convert from one basis to other basis. So the basic thing is that when you are converting, make sure you convert to base 10 first, okay, before you convert from base 10 to the required base. So I hope this adds to our knowledge. Hope to see you next video. Remember, knowledge is power. Without knowledge, the world remains what? Stagnant or static. Okay, have a nice day and see you next video.